Hey guys, I'm gonna sound like a big hippie and stuff with this video, and I complain about it a lot in my reviews, but this packaging is just ridiculous in some of these die-cast brands. This is a garbage can I keep next to my review table. I've probably emptied this garbage can out 10 to 20 times over the past year that I've been collecting. So let me just show you one garbage full of this stuff. Bring it. Now, just because we throw it in the trash and it gets taken away by a trash man doesn't mean that trash doesn't go somewhere bad. Most likely, it ends up in a landfill where it leaches into the water table, or perhaps it gets incinerated. If it gets incinerated, those fumes are being breathed in by you. But sadly, a lot of poor countries don't recycle stuff. A lot of countries will actually even export their garbage to other countries. But I think a lot of this stuff actually ends up in the ocean, and then it ends up in our food, and then it ends up in us. So, I mean, this box is just unnecessarily large. I feel like, the best packaging is actually by Hot Wheels. They have a card, a small blister so you can see the model, and it's minimal. The short card Hot Wheels is the greatest packaging I've seen. But anyways, I'm just one person complaining, but if everyone can complain, maybe we could reduce this waste. Another thing, to be selfish, is I have to pay for this garbage. Like the cost of this little base of a churro cue, I bought it, and and it ends up in the trash. I'm literally throwing money away that I don't need this kind of money, right? I'd rather just have a nicer model with lower grade packaging. As long as the model shows up safe, that's all I care about. All this fancy stuff, it just seems unnecessary, right? All right, so sorry, I'm always ranting and stuff, but it's just heavy industry. They just keep pumping out all this garbage that we're paying for, and literally it is garbage. It's just not good for anyone. It's wasting money, and it ultimately ends up in our own children's organs and your own. Sorry, and me. All right, thanks. I'll see you around.